Hey there, you have a list of clients and now you are required to interact with their posts on Instagram, but there is no time to do it manually. Let's automate it. Here is already prepared script, we'll just test it. There are some kind of silly tasks like scrolling and random click on button. As you can see, it's going to visit my profile and then scrolling. After do that, maybe it will click on any button or maybe go on direct file and view the post. As you can see here, it's going to view the post. Now it will capture her screenshot and send to the AI model to make a good comment for it. It's really useful if you want to interact with the post of colleague. If you interact with your client and then there are a lot of people will connect you. You can see it's on a next profile and now it will view it. Now it's again capture its image and get a comment for it by a model. Now it's again view my profile. It's some kind of silly task to make it like a human. There's nothing else. Now it's again view the post and getting comment from AI. After getting comment, put it on the post. It's also going to like this post. It will see there.